Hello, friends. We have definitely heard the famous story from Panchatantra during childhood, in which a white pigeon, Chitragriv, was caught along with his flock in the hunter's trap. By the time the pigeon could realize that there is a net underneath, they were already stuck in the trap. But instead of panicking and howling for help, they did not lose hope during such a difficult time and appropriately responded to it. So they flew together along with the trap. Then they went to a mouse who was a dear friend who helped them get rid of the trap and they flew away freely. Tell me, who does not face problems? When problems and difficulties arise, they bring along some amount of fear. There are only two solutions during such difficult times. We can either get scared and run away from these problems, or we face them with courage and determination. I have a very special friend in Dubai named Dr. Alka Kalra. She is also a psychologist like me. She learned a lot of modern techniques in psychology during her visit to India from me. So she started treating me as her guru. But when I visited Dubai and met her 25-year-old daughter Shobhika Kalra, I met someone who taught me the true lesson of life, who explained the purpose of life, who taught how to live life to the fullest and on how not to lose hope during the most difficult phase. A very inspiring persona come role model who could be called a guru in the true sense. So adorable is Shobhika. She was very good in studies and always enthusiastic to participate in sports and cultural activities and games. When she turned 13 years old, her mother, Dr. Kalra, realized that she didn't walk properly. And sometimes she tends to lose her balance and even falls down. So when they consulted a doctor for this issue and got the checkup done, they were shocked at what they found out. They came to know that Shobhika was suffering from a very severe illness, which is called Friedreich ataxia. There is no remedy for this acute illness. Thereafter, Shobhika's muscles rapidly started losing their strength. 15-year-old Shobhika was completely bound by a wheelchair. Dr. Alka and her husband Naveen would look at Shobhika, often weep and hide their tears. In the beginning, even Shobhika could not understand the severity of the problem that came into her life. But then she gradually mustered the courage to overcome this severe problem. She accepted the fact that she will continue to suffer. No matter how life shapes up to be, she didn't want to sulk and spend the rest of her life. Shobhika resumed her studies and got admission to a university to pursue a course. She completed her MBA and MA psychology. But when she visited the university, she had to face a lot of problems and inconvenience due to the wheelchair because there was no ramp in the esteemed university. So Shobhika expressed her concern to them and made the university a disabled-friendly setup. Shobhika decided to turn this concern into her life's mission and gradually ensured that there are more than 1,000 wheelchair ramps in the city of Dubai. Friends, when some of the 10th and 12th standard children or their parents come to me with their concerns for counseling and say that, "Ma'am, I am lagging behind in this subject, or I am unable to concentrate on my studies, or I strongly feel that I will fail this time. I don't know how will I be able to face my parents when I meet them. If I don't achieve my goal, then how will my parents face the world? And sometimes I even have thoughts of ending my life." Then I share the inspiring story of Shobhika with them. Friends, for someone to be emotionally and mentally strong, we need to accept the truth that we all are human beings and we all can make mistakes, the way Chitragriv made. And all the other pigeons too got trapped in the net. All of us have been blessed with the capability to accept our mistakes and mend our ways, the way Chitragree's flock did. We could panic and take the wrong step during difficult times. So we should pause in such situations and we should focus on solution-oriented thinking at all times. So now this is done, but friends, what's next? Remember the presence of mind Chitragreev had and flew away with his trapped flock to seek help. Problems don't inform us in advance. Shobhika was fit and fine. She had absolutely no issues till she turned 13 years old. She suddenly learned of the illness. Shobhika accepted the bitter truth and decided to fight to find the right solution. Friends, remember, life is never the same always. You will find ups and downs in your life. So we need to keep ourselves ready for it. Please don't hesitate to ask for help and reach out to others during difficult times. And we should also always reach out to others when they need it. Challenges don't stay forever, but our hopes, determination, and our trust can always stay forever. Life is precious. Shobhika had once said during an interview, "Ever since I learnt about my illness, I started appreciating my life even more and living it to the fullest." Friends, any kind of problem, no matter how big it is, cannot be bigger than our determination. Friends, so what if we are not perfect? Even if our circumstances are not hunky-dory, we can still take small steps to live a meaningful and purposeful life and also enrich the lives of others. The video on resilience by Hema Foundation was made to inspire you, teach you the art of living a purposeful life, and tell you about how to overcome all the problems, challenges, and difficulties of life and create a beautiful life, not just for us, but also for others. Thank you.